I'm just smiling. Can't even tell. I could hear a really good ventriloquist. Hi guys, what's up? Nothing.
I can't do that.
I just love
Oh my gosh, Chelsea. How are you today?
I'm so good. How are you?
So good.
I love you.
I love you so much.
Oh my god.
Sorry, who farted?
This is so easy. Oh my god, I love to talk with it.
We are here to do this.
Ella, this is my friend Ella. Welcome her to the stage. Ella, come here. Come on, Ella. Welcome to the stage. This is my dog.
Ella.
That way.
We love Ella so
This is my dog
much.
Ella. She's so cute. Ella, Ella, Ella. Oh, Ella. She's so cute, and I just love her so much. So much. So much. I love her dog Ella. Oh my god, she's just so precious.
Freaks.
Maybe we should send this to you. Maybe we should send this to Erica.
Makes my teeth hurt. I mean, my cheeks hurt.
No, you failed. You failed.
I
I win!
win!
She's the winner!